Hi, for all the kids out there who are currently having a summer holiday or have an extended summer holiday due to the heat wave, this video is for you. So, these are some of the stressors that kids go through during summer holidays. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes we disregard of the fact that even kids can or children can go through. So, here are certain pointers which pinpoints the stressors that kids go through as well as how to deal with them. So let's say a child experiences boredom and loneliness during summer holidays, feeling isolated from friends and lacking structured activity to keep them engaged. How to deal with it? So here are certain ways to deal with it. Encourage the child to explore their interests and hobbies, providing opportunities for creative expression and skill development. Facilitate social connections by organizing playdates, enrolling them into summer camps or classes, or encouraging involvement in community events. Foster a supportive home environment with open communication where the child feels comfortable and safe expressing their feelings and concerns.